Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to exchange currency dynamically in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to exchange currency dynamically in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today, I'm going to show you how to exchange currency dynamically in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, now we have salary in USD, want to get salary in EUR, okay? Let's type equal, then choose the cell, then the symbol Google Finance, then the symbol currency column USD EUR, close symbol, then close quotation symbol. That easy guys, you get the number you want in EUR. Drag down, make sure it in currency too. That easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to exchange currency dynamically in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.